Here is a beginner-level facilities manager quiz that covers asset and equipment management, cleaning and sanitation, and stakeholder communication and coordination. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary objective of asset and equipment management in a facility? A. Ensuring assets are maintained and utilized efficiently. B. Ignoring equipment conditions. C. Replacing all assets annually. And D. Avoiding maintenance tracking. Answer: ensuring assets are maintained and utilized efficiently. Question 2. Which of the following is an example of preventive maintenance for facility assets? A. Waiting for equipment to break down before repairing. B. Regular servicing of HVAC systems. C. Ignoring minor repairs. And D. Replacing all assets immediately after purchase. Answer: regular servicing of HVAC systems. Question 3. What is the main purpose of an asset inventory system? A. Ignoring missing equipment. B. Increasing asset duplication. C. Tracking and managing facility assets efficiently. And D. Storing all asset data manually. Answer: tracking and managing facility assets efficiently. Question 4. Which system is commonly used for monitoring asset performance and lifespan? A. Guesswork method. B. Paper-based logs. C. Verbal asset tracking. And D. Computerized maintenance management system, CMMS. Answer: computerized maintenance management system, CMMS. Question 5. Which of the following contributes to long-term asset durability? A. Implementing regular maintenance schedules. B. Delaying repairs indefinitely. C. Using assets until complete failure. And D. Avoiding usage monitoring. Answer: implementing regular maintenance schedules. Question 6. Why is cleaning and sanitation important in facility management? A. To reduce employee productivity. B. To increase workplace clutter. C. To maintain a safe, healthy and pleasant working environment. And D. To ignore hygiene standards. Answer: to maintain a safe, healthy and pleasant working environment. Question 7. Which is the best practice for ensuring cleanliness in high traffic areas? A. Ignoring cleaning schedules. B. Frequent cleaning and sanitation routines. C. Using the same cleaning tools indefinitely. And D. Avoiding restroom sanitation. Answer: frequent cleaning and sanitation routines. Question 8. Which standard should a facilities manager follow for workplace sanitation compliance? A. Unwritten hygiene rules. B. Ignoring sanitation standards. C. Only local business regulations. And D. Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA. Answer: Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA. Question 9. What is the most effective way to prevent pest infestations in a facility? A. Regular waste disposal and pest control measures. B. Keeping food waste unattended. C. Ignoring pest inspections. And D. Allowing clutter to accumulate. Answer regular waste disposal and pest control measures. Question 10. Which of the following improves air quality and hygiene in a facility? A. Keeping windows permanently shut. B. Installing proper ventilation and air purification systems. C. Avoiding HVAC maintenance. And D. Reducing cleaning frequency. Answer: installing proper ventilation and air purification systems. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the primary role of stakeholder communication and coordination in facility management? A. Delaying responses to service requests. B. Ignoring stakeholder feedback. C. Ensuring all facility-related concerns are addressed effectively. And D. Avoiding meetings with stakeholders. Answer: ensuring all facility-related concerns are addressed effectively. Question 12. Which of the following is a best practice in stakeholder communication? A. Ignoring feedback from employees and tenants. B. Withholding important information from stakeholders. C. Avoiding discussions on facility-related issues. And D. Providing regular updates on facility operations. Answer: providing regular updates on facility operations. Question 13. Which communication tool is most effective for reporting facility issues? A. Facility management software. B. Verbal messages only. C. Personal notes on sticky pads. And D. Delayed reporting via email. Answer: facility management software. Question 14. Why is it important to coordinate with multiple departments in facility management? A. To work in isolation. B. To create confusion in workflows. C. To avoid responsibility. And D. To ensure smooth operations and address cross-functional concerns. Answer: to ensure smooth operations and address cross-functional concerns. Question 15. Which is the most effective method for handling stakeholder concerns about facilities? A. Avoiding follow-ups. B. Ignoring complaints. C. Implementing a structured complaint resolution system. And D. Dismissing stakeholder concerns without review. Answer: implementing a structured complaint resolution system. Question 16. What should a facilities manager do when receiving negative feedback from stakeholders? A. Ignore the complaint. B. Analyze the issue and implement corrective actions. C. Avoid responding to feedback. And D. Deny any facility issues. Answer: analyze the issue and implement corrective actions. Question 17. What is the key benefit of conducting stakeholder meetings regularly? A. Improving communication and addressing facility-related concerns proactively. B. Delaying problem resolution. C. Avoiding engagement with stakeholders. And D. Reducing transparency in facility operations. Answer: improving communication and addressing facility-related concerns proactively. Question 18. Which communication method is best for urgent facility updates? A. Verbal word-of-mouth updates. B. Paper memos only. C. Email and real-time alerts through management software. And D. No communication at all. Answer: email and real-time alerts through management software. Question 19. What is an effective way to ensure collaboration between facility teams and stakeholders? A. Ignoring stakeholder input. B. Keeping facility decisions secret. C. Regular feedback sessions and transparent communication. And D. Delaying meetings indefinitely. Answer: regular feedback sessions and transparent communication. Question 20. Which factor improves overall stakeholder satisfaction in facility management? A. Providing timely responses and maintaining facility standards. B. Ignoring facility issues. C. Delaying maintenance work. And D. Avoiding communication with stakeholders. Answer: providing timely responses and maintaining facility standards. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.